Journey with the Mushroom Network on this episode of the Mushroom Minute as we delve into the wobbly world of the jelly fungus, scientifically known as Tremella Fuciformis. Here we go. Ever heard of mushroom jelly? Beyond its jelly-like appearance, this fungus is celebrated in Asian cuisines and traditional medicine for its supposed health benefits. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Like water beads, when dried, it shrinks and hardens back up. However, it revives back to its jelly form when soaked in water, making it into a culinary delight. Rich in polysaccharides, it's studied for potential immune-boosting properties and skin benefits including hydration, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and even skin brightening. Immerse in the world of fungi at the Mushroom Network's marketplace. From the culinary to the curious and beyond, explore the vastness of mycology with us, or further your knowledge, and take a free or paid online mycology course located at the Mushroom Academy.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.